Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to do a price prediction on JASMY Coin. Okay, I know it's been a while. I stopped doing videos in 2022 because the market just kept dropping for crypto and for stocks, and I didn't feel like it would be good of me. It would be prudent of me to do price predictions in a market that's just going down the shitter. So I thought I would wait. I jumped into more stocks during that time, and they've been coming around, and I've been taking profit. So I figured I might as well do some more videos for you guys. So in this video, we're going to do JASMY. All right. So if you guys are into price predictions, if you like things like this at any point in time during the video, look down below the video and please give it a thumbs up and smack that bell. It helps me out, helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Okay. And if you guys are thinking about any coins, jumping in on any, write a comment down below and let me know what you're looking at, and I'll take a look at it. I'll see what I see, and I'll let you know, hey, this could have potential, or I would hold off a little bit longer until it drops a certain range. Okay. So let's go ahead. I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Share my screen. Where are you, screen? There we go. Okay, so what I do, guys, is I'm going to break this video into two areas. One of them, I'm going to be showing you baselines, my baseline method, and then I'll also point out the Fibonacci one, okay? So if any of you guys are thinking about using the Fibonacci indicator, then you guys can use that, and I'll show you kind of what I do to jump into trades, okay? So what I do is I draw lines on charts, and what happens is it lets me know where the dip is most likely, okay? And if I'm able to be successful, 70, 80, 90, 95% of the time, then, that's great, because a lot of traders are, only successful maybe 50% of the time, right? And so you don't want to be in on a trade, and you don't want to just be like, oh, I made 2%, on $100 or $1,000, and you only made, $2 or $20 or whatever. You want to be able to make some big profits. In the beginning, I was only making a couple bucks, and I was like, okay, they're stacking, and things were closing like right and left, throughout the day. And so it would stack up. But now I'm going after bigger margins. Okay, so here's a baseline right here. Get a pen and piece of paper, guys. This line right here is at 0.00927. I'm on the 4-hour chart, just so you guys know, if you're wondering. So what happened? Price action broke that base. Okay, it has not come back up, but it should, based upon prior history. It should. It's just a matter of time. I'm not saying it's going to. I'm just saying it has potential for hitting that point. But what I like to do is, in a market like this, I like to look at the 4-hour charts, and I like to play the dips. I like to play the lower areas. Okay, so here's another baseline right here. Price action. What did it do? It broke it. It went below it. And then what did it do? It lingered way down here. It bounced around for quite a long time. That was September. And what did it do? It came back over here in February, but it came back up, right? So at anywhere down in here, I could have bought, and I could have sold right up here, and I could have made money. Here's another one. Broke there, came back up. It broke there, it came back up. It broke there, it came back up. It broke there and came back up. Over here, it broke this line, lingered down here. I could have bought anywhere down in here, and it would have come back up. It broke there, came back up. It broke these two spots and came back up. It broke over here, right there, boom, came back up. It broke a little one right there and came back up. And so this is kind of where we're at. This is where we're at right now. Right here, you can see down here in the bottom right hand corner, it's at 0.00388. Today is the 9th of August, 2023. So I see potential that this thing should be able to at least go from where it's at right now, 0.00388, up to at least right here, 0.00512, and all the way gradually up. So I could set my take profit right here at 0.00512, or I could wait longer and hope that it gets up to 0.00653. Now, look at this. This is quite a range here, right? This is a long time. And so you might be waiting a long time. But, if the odds are showing you that you're able to make a profit, and you just have to be patient, and you're not going to freak out if it drops a little bit lower, then the best thing to do is just sit back and wait, right? And obviously, you don't want to spend any money on any amount of money that you're not willing to lose, okay? Because investing is risky. You guys know that, okay? So don't go crazy and don't go, Ryan said it's definitely coming back. I said more often than not, things are swinging back, and you can see right here that it swung back, 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 swung back, swung back, swung, well, not there, but these two right here, okay? So if you want a little baseline hit, right there. And if you guys are paper trading, or you're just keeping journals, or maybe you have alerts set up on your exchange that you can set it up an alert, you can do an Excel spreadsheet and you can say, I bought here and I want an alert to go off right here at 0.00504. And if it hits, you're going to know, hey, Ryan was right, you know, back however long it took. Okay. So let's go in and we're going to take a look at the Fibonacci code. Okay. So here we are. I've got the Fibonacci set up, and let's kind of zoom in. Let's take a look at some things here. All right, so here's Fibonacci. It's kind of like a river. You know, you've got the one side of the river up here, and you've got the other side over here. And what happens is price action will move within the river, right? And you'll notice here that oftentimes when price action hits the bottom of the river, hits that bottom line, it'll usually come back up. Now, it may come back up just a little. It may come up, you know, more towards the center, this red line here. Or what could happen is over time, it could come up even higher. So if you bought here at 0.00496 and you sat and you waited and you saw that it could come over here to 0.00636, right? But if you saw my prior prediction using the baselines, you'll know that, hey, if it gets up here, we're still within the range of it coming back in these baselines. So I could make little trades based upon just the Fibonacci. And I feel secure because I know, based upon what I was just telling you guys a minute ago with regards to the lines, that it should come back up to the top. It should come up to these lines over here, right? It should be able to get up here. So if you're looking here, let's go in and zoom in again. And oh, here's a perfect one right here. It hit the bottom line here of the Fibonacci right there. And look, it came back up over the course of a number of days or hours. It came back up. So it went right there from 0.00372 all the way up to the top. And usually what happens, guys, is that when it hits the top, when it hits that top line, it will usually come back down to some degree. But sometimes when it's really pumping, it's going to go above. And if it breaks that line right there, that top line, a lot of times people will jump into that and they'll ride it up a little bit further until it starts to kind of swing back around. Okay, so it's still there. It's still something that you guys can like work with, but also know the baseline one, right? So even though I'm down here and I'm playing with the you know, the river, the channel, and I'm like, it starts to come back down, I still know, I still feel confident that based upon the baseline analysis, this thing still has a ways to go up. So if it dropped a little bit lower, I'm not worried, okay? If I pretty much will do the Fibonacci if, you know, I really feel like there's an opportunity. Like right here, I jump in there, I wait for a quick hit, and I get out, okay? Same with like right here, it hit over here, and then a quick hit, came back up. But look, I still have this other blue line up here. So even though it went up to that roughly this area, it still came back down. It's still lingering below this top blue line. I hope this makes sense to you guys. I'll be doing more videos on this for you. And let me know in the comments if there's anything you guys are interested in or thinking about jumping into, or maybe you jumped in 6 months ago and you're like, God, is this thing ever going to move? Should I get out now? What should I do? Should I get out? Should I hold? Let me know in the comments down below, okay? And I'll do it for stocks and or crypto. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, smash the bell when it pops up, and please subscribe to the channel. Helps me out and keeps you guys updated on stocks and crypto, right? Investing points. All right, well, thanks guys for watching, and I will be working on uploading this here shortly.